Deep in the jungle, a forgotten relic lies. Time and nature have reclaimed this crashed airplane, weaving it into the living tapestry of the forest.
The jungle wind whispers over rusted metal as the mechanic inspects the forgotten engine. In the heart of the jungle, a meticulous cleaning begins. Water and brush reveal the hidden metal beneath.
In the heart of the jungle, a lone mechanic's steady hand forges the future, one spark at a time.
This rain is relentless, but I have to keep this bird in the air. Almost there, just hold together. Okay, connecting the cables now. Come on, turn over. Yes, it's time!
Engine starting successfully. Smoke and dust are blowing, leaves shaking from engine power. The mechanic is celebrating, while the restored plane stands ready in the clearing. The mechanic expects his careful checks ensure a safe journey through the skies.
The restored lifting off into the golden sunset sky, a symbol of restored freedom.